In this video, you'll learn how to check which invoices have been sent in QuickBooks Online. This is useful for making sure your customers actually received their invoices and helps you avoid missed payments. Start by going to the left-hand navigation menu and clicking Reports. This section contains all your financial and sales reports. On the Reports page, use the search bar to find the Invoice List report. Click it to open. This report shows a table of all your invoices. Now we'll customize it to display whether each invoice has been sent. First, set the report period at the top. Choose a date range like this month, last month, or a custom range depending on what you want to review. This ensures you're seeing the correct set of invoices. Next, click Customize in the top right corner of the report. In the Customization panel, expand the Column section. Find and check the Sent column. This column shows whether each invoice has been sent, typically by email through QuickBooks. Once selected, the report will refresh automatically. You'll now see a Sent status next to each invoice. This makes it easy to identify invoices that were created but not sent, follow up with customers, keep your cash flow on track. Keep in mind, the Sent status only reflects activity within QuickBooks. If you printed or emailed an invoice outside the system, it may not be marked as sent unless updated in QuickBooks. If your report is too long, adjust the date range to narrow it down. If you don't see the Sent column, double-check that you're in the Invoice List report. The column is selected in the Customization panel. And that's how you track sent invoices in QuickBooks Online. Using this simple report helps you stay organized and ensures no invoice gets missed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.